And I thought today would be a perfect day, since it's so cold outside, to have that hearty beef stew. Now warning, about to show you some chuck roast that I spared y'all of me chopping it all up, but here is the chuck roast. So there's my chuck roast. Okay, so I put 1/4 cup of flour in here, my salt and my pepper, and I shake it all up. Okay, there's my salt and pepper and flour mix. I'm gonna put the beef in here, shake it up, and then fry it a bit with some butter. All right, so I have some of my chuck roast in here that I've cut up. I'm gonna shake it up and, you know, throw it in a hot skillet. So the recipe did call for 1/4 cup of meat fat, which I don't have. I don't have any beef tallow or lard. So we're gonna use butter because it called for shortening. I hate shortening. I don't want to use that. So we're gonna use some butter. There's our meat. It says fry it quickly and then add the veg. So let's fry this up quickly. Now I need to add the Worcestershire sauce. We have our carrots and potatoes. Our beef is down there. I'll be honest with you, I didn't have any turnips, so I don't have turnips in my stew, just carrots and potatoes and onions and beef. I add the 6 cups of water, and then I guess I'll see you in about 7 hours when it's done. Alright, my grandma, she always put barley in her stew, but we're following this recipe. So no barley, but Worcestershire sauce. And sorry I didn't have the turnips. I initially thought I wanted to make Boston brown bread with this, but it's a sweet bread with molasses and raisins, so I don't think we're gonna have Boston brown bread this time around. Possibly Johnny cakes. Alright, so it's a toss-up between cream of tartar biscuits or a Johnny cake. I'm thinking Johnny cakes are gonna win. I did decide to make the Johnny cake, so let's do that. I need a cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of soda. Okay, I added some vinegar to sour my milk. 2 eggs, my molasses. Let's try the Johnny cake first. It's cornbread with molasses. Alright, let's try the stew. Here's the stew meat. Delicious. That is so good. But it's just stew. How can you mess up stew? Anyway, y'all, that's all I have for today. It's just a slow winter's day video. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.